Assalamu alaikum. Hello, student of class 9. I hope you all are aware. Okay, I'm S.M. Arif Alam, assistant teacher, Perfect English Bhagan Secondary School. Today is 11th August 2021. Okay, I'm taking your online class on English second paper. Our today's topic tag question. Okay, student, please notice on the whiteboard definition of tag question. The very short question formed without any WH question asked by the speaker after a negative or an affirmative statement during conversation to confirm that something is true or not, or to encourage a reply from the person we are speaking to is called that question. According to the definition, you can find that that question is very short question. It's not formed with WH word or WH question, and denote something is true or not, or encourage a reply from the person, and it is used during the conversation of the two persons. Okay, types. There are two types of tag question in the conversation. They are number one, negative tag question, number two, affirmative tag question. The definition of negative tag question. If a statement denotes an affirmative idea, then it is negative tag. Affirmative tag. If a statement denotes a negative idea, then it is affirmative tag. On this context, both negative tag and affirmative tag, we can reach to the decision that the statement and tag question are alternative to each other. If it is affirmative statement, then the tag question will be negative. Otherwise, if the statement is negative, then the tag question will be affirmative. Structure. Negative tag. Negative auxiliary verb plus pronoun of subject. Okay, auxiliary must be negative form and pronoun of subject will be after that. Okay, now we look at the negative auxiliary verbs. There are many types of verbs in English grammar. They are verb to do, affirmative form are do, does, did. Negative form will be don't, doesn't, didn't. Verb to be, am, is, are, was, were. And their negative form is ain't or aren't, isn't, aren't, wasn't, weren't. Then verb to have. Affirmative form have, has, had. And their negative haven't, hasn't, hadn't. Modal auxiliaries may, might, should, would. And their negative form is mayn't, mightn't, shouldn't, wouldn't. There are useful negative forms of some modal auxiliaries. They are shall to shan't, will to won't, can to can't. Okay, next step. The present form of verb to do, be and have depend on subject and tense of verb. That is, if the subject is third person singular number and verb is present form plus s oblique es, or it or has, then the auxiliary verb will be does or is or has plus n apostrophe t, and verb is in first form, then the auxiliary verb will be did or was or had plus n apostrophe t. In this context, we need to know the third person singular number. Third person singular number is he, she, it, this, that, and single name of anything. That may be person, things, animals, place, etc. And here is verb present form plus s oblique es. Verb is present form plus s oblique es. That is run plus s runs, catch plus es catches, etc. And if the subject is except third person singular number and verb is in present form, then the auxiliary verb will be do or are or have plus n apostrophe t. Here do is for present form of verb, that is go, run, etc. Are is used for verb to be, and have is used for verb to have. And verb is in past form, not present form. Then the auxiliary verb will be did, were, had plus n apostrophe t, and was only for the subject, first person singular number I. Was will be used only for subject, that means only I, not more subject. The function of proper noun. If the subject is proper noun, its pronoun is considered after AV, that is auxiliary verb plus n apostrophe t. That is, the name of a male is considered as he. The name of a female is considered as she. Single thing, place, animal is considered as it. But more persons, things, places, animals will be considered as they. A male's name, Rohim, Korib, Martin, and the female name may be Amina, Sophia, Oshia, and single thing meaning radio, mobile, etc. Place, Dhaka, Chattogram, animal, tiger, cat, and the more persons meaning Rohim and Korib. Doctors, things, computers, radio and television. Places, Dhaka and Chattogram. Animals, lions and tigers or lions will be considered as they. Okay students, I'm finishing for today. The next will be the next class. Till then, I hope all of you healthy and happy life.